All right guys, today I got a product review. This one I'm super excited about. I've been using this one personally for over a year now, and for the right person, this is an awesome accessory to have to your bike. For other people, this is just like a novelty, and it's like, what is this? This is the Surly Bill trailer. This thing is 5 feet long by 24 inches wide. This will turn pretty much any bike, e-bike, into a pickup truck, a small pickup truck. So if you're thinking about, if you have a small business where you need to haul a lot of stuff and you don't want to be using your car, you could use this as a car or truck alternative. It's got a 300-pound weight capacity, so you could load this thing up. It's got plenty of tie-down threaded bosses on here. I think they're M5s. You can see I put in some eyelets on there, so I have plenty of tie-downs. So I've taken this to UPS with many boxes when I'm fulfilling orders at johnnynerdout.com. A lot of times I'll put motor kits on here, batteries, strap it down, and head it to the UPS fulfillment center. And this thing is awesome. I've also towed other bikes on this, but I get asked this a lot is, how do I just get more out of my bike? Trailer like this is how you do it. There's also another trailer company called Bikes at Work. Between the Surly Bill, there's also a Surly Ted, so they have the Bill and Ted trailer. The Ted is a little bit shorter, so if you don't want something 5 feet long, you just want something, I think it's like 2.5 feet long, you may want to check out the Ted trailer. But if you want something even bigger, Bikes at Work has ones, I think they're up to like 8 feet long and even wider. So if you are doing crazy stuff, you can go to Bikes at Work. For most people, I feel like this is already kind of a little bit too much, but this is an awesome trailer. I love this one. It's got the hookworm tires on it, stainless steel hardware, plenty of mounting points. It's got the tire protectors on here. They got this yoke here, this hitch mechanism that actually slides in, replaces your quick release skewer, and then this goes on here and you just tighten it down. And this thing articulates in so many different ways. It's got a 2-point articulation here, and then you could also adjust the trim level here, how high you want it to go. One thing to note is the hitch is sold separately. That's the one thing that kind of bummed me out when I first bought it a few years ago. You could not find this hitch assembly. It was sold out. So I had the trailer and I couldn't find anybody that had the hitch. For some reason, there was like a supply shortage. This was during the COVID pandemic, but now these are back in stock. And I do carry them at johnnynerdout.com. So if you want to support the shop, that would be awesome. I got a direct link below. But this trailer, if you're looking to get the absolute maximum out of your bike, the Surly Bill is a great way to go. It is expensive. This is about a $1,000 trailer. I think it's like $800 for the trailer, and then it's like another $200 and something for this hitch assembly. You will see why it costs that much when you get it. That can be a hard pill to swallow for some people, but I feel like if you're using this as a car alternative, it's easily worth it. If you're gonna use it, it's definitely worth it. If you're just thinking about it, maybe go with a smaller. There's a lot of cheaper cargo trailers that you could dip your toe in and see if you're gonna be using it a lot, and then slowly outgrow into it. I had a Weehoo trailer, cargo trailer, that I pretty quickly outgrew. So this became a necessity. And something like me, I would probably put side rails on here so I could make it a little bit more, maybe put like a flatbed on it, some thin plywood or something like that. This is an awesome trailer. I've been waiting to make this video. I wanted to make sure that I had them in stock before I made this, but this is one of my favorite trailers. You'll see me riding around Vancouver, Washington with this setup oftentimes, and I get a lot of people looking at me. So you will get a lot of attention, whether that's good or bad. All right, cool guys, thanks.